In this video, we are going to see how we can turn off the dark mode in Brave browser. So if you want to turn on the light mode, what you can do is just go to the top right hand corner on the three lines, click on that and go to the settings right at the bottom. And once you're in here, just click on appearance, which you can find on your left. And then under the theme colors, just click on this once, or you can also set it to default. But if you click on this, you will see some further options. You can set it the default settings of device, or otherwise turn on the light mode. Exit out of here by just simply closing this, and you are good to go. As you can see, the theme is turned to light mode, but Google is still showing in the dark mode. So what we need to do is we just close it once, and then when you open it back, it might or might not show you in dark mode. So what we have done, we have moved one step further, where we just need to disable this from Brave colon // flags, because we have turned every single website into a dark mode. So just right here, dark mode, and here we just need to set it to default. Click on relaunch, and then you should see everything in the light mode, including the Google or any particular website. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.